Do you also want to score 40 plus marks in mathematics as a PCB student? Then this video is only for you. So in this video, we will cover some easy topics and scoring topics, which will be easy for you all, right? And after that, we will look at some conceptually heavy yet scoring topics. So don't miss this and watch this complete video. So let us just quickly begin this video now. So here is the list of chapters which are easy and scoring for you guys. So first is quadratic equation. So in this, all you need to know is about the nature of roots, common roots, and this is a conceptual topic and very easy. So scoring for you all guys. Second is our sequence and series. So this chapter demands AP/GP, right? Which you all have studied also. So sequence and series is again a very easy and scoring topic. Questions are almost asked every year from this topic. Next is our matrices and determinants. All you want to know in this is properties of matrices, adjoint, and everything about matrices. And in determinants, you get questions most of the time from system of equation. So easy and again scoring for you all. Then comes limits. All you want to know about the L'Hopital rule, Leibniz rule, indeterminate forms, and how to solve particular limit questions. And this is again very scoring for you all guys. The direct questions are asked from these topics, right? And the next come is the area under the curve. So this is the application of integral chapter, and this chapter is very short and scoring. You can get to see one question or two mostly in your exams every time. And this is a direct question that you get from this chapter, right? So, and then after that again, that is indefinite and definite integrals. All you need to know about the formulas for integrations and all the concepts, how the particular types of integration is solved. And this is again scoring to you all guys, and direct question are asked from this. So the next is vectors. This is a new concept and again easy. All you need to know is vector triple product, dot product, scalar product, and the cross product in this. And the questions are directly asked again from this topic. So this is the list of all the chapters which can be scoring for you all guys, and you can do easily in your exams. So now let us look at the conceptually heavy yet scoring topics. So you can do that after you get command in all these topics and you have a hold on this. So let's look at this. So now these are some topics which are conceptually heavy yet you can score in them, right? So the first one is complex numbers. So this is a vast big chapter. There are many concepts in this chapter, and this is a conceptually heavy topics. The questions are tricky in this and that can be asked from anywhere. So yes, some students find it difficult and they are not able to understand how to approach them. So the next is application of derivative, a part of calculus which everyone finds a bit difficult, right? And then comes the straight lines. Based on geometry, straight lines mostly asks for focus, foot of perpendicular, or diagram based questions, as you can see, right, in your exams. So yes, and again related to that is again a circles, and this is again a geometry based, diagram based question and heavy concept topic. So after that comes our function. This is a vast chapter. There are many and variety of concepts in this chapter. Students may get confused in this. So yeah, but these all concepts are scoring because every time you can see at least one or two questions from all these concepts are coming in your IIT and NEST exams. So first prepare the easy ones, and after that you should surely go for all these topics because they are heavy yet scoring, and this will help you ace your exam. So since we have covered all the important easy and hard topics that you can cover as a PCB student to score 40 plus marks in your mathematics, let me now give you some tips and tricks to score better. So first, mathematics demands practice. You need to practice questions as much as you can. Revise all the concepts daily. Practice questions from every concept. Which concepts you feel are difficult to you, don't skip them. Skipping is not allowed. So just practice again and again, go to the concepts and ace that chapter, right? And after that, make a formula sheet. Maths is based on all formulas, right, mostly. So make a formula sheet and stick that above your desk or keep that every time with you. Just revise those formulas 10 to 15 minutes every day. So that will help you remember all that very well, right? And after that, maths demand consistency. So consistency and practice is what will help you in your exam very much. Secondly, don't panic or don't feel that maths is hard. Most of us live with that thought that maths is hard or this particular question is very tough. This language of the question is very difficult to understand. So learn how to understand the language and concept that the question is asking and demanding you. Now your exam is near and around 1 month is left for exam and you all must be worried where to prepare from. So SciAstra has got your back. So you can visit to our SciAstra website and find these crash courses that we are offering to you all. So the first one is IAT and NIST personalized crash course. In this you will get personalized mentor that will help you and that will take your journey till your exam. And then next we have a complete crash course which is combined IAT and NIST crash course. If you are preparing for both the exam, then this is best for you. In this you will get question practice, DPPs and everything, right? And after that we also have separate crash courses for NIST and IIT as well. And all these will cover all the topics from basics to advanced. So you don't need to worry about anything. All your concepts, everything from basic to advanced will be covered in all these crash courses. All you need to do is what? Just go to our website, check all these courses, just check all the features that you are getting from these courses. If you have any doubt, still you have any doubt, then go to our comment section and comment down. Or you can reach out to our SciAstra support. They will help you out if you have any query. So all the best for your exams and see you in your dream institutes. Bye bye.